Welcome back to the channel. Today, I got the Macan S, and I'm pretty sure that I'm the only one in this video, but maybe not.
Guess what, Tyler? It is delivery day! Welcome back to the channel.
I guess I'm not the only one in this video.
I'm clearly here. As you can see, outside, what season are we in?
Winter!
Guess what the car is not prepared for?
What?
Winter! Let's see what's in the box. I am so excited to see what's in here. I mean, I know. Do you know?
I don't.
All right, there's one thing about the Macan that makes it not winter ready. So if you see all this H2O, otherwise known as water to all you lay people, and then you step in the snow, right? And then you step in your car and look at all that stuff. That's not good, Tyler. It's not good at all. So I'm gonna take this extremely sharp James brand knife, not sponsored, just love it. And we're gonna open up the box. We're gonna secure the knife so we keep all 10 fingers, because we need them. Open this up. Oh boy. I mean, you can probably see what we got here. I'm so excited and I'm so weak. We got the Porsche equipment. Holy buckets, I'm doing this wrong. Hopefully on camera it looks better. Hopefully. Porsche tech equipment. Even comes with a hanger.
That's fancy.
Look at that. We got new floor mats.
And they say Porsche on them.
Super fun Friday video. Let's install them. It's not every day that Turn 5 gets new stuff for their beautiful toys. But today is one of those days. Look at the Porsche Macan in the floor mat. Ooh, Want to see what this currently looks like in here? Hold this with your third hand, please. Thank you. All right. Here's what I'm talking about. Here's why this car is not prepared for winter yet. Do you see that?
That is gross.
Somebody has to clean that, and his name doesn't start with Tyler.
Yeah, why would I clean it?
Exactly. So I'm gonna have to do that.
It's your car, you should clean it.
Somebody's gotta clean this garage someday too.
You should also clean my car while you're at it.
Let's take the new mat. I'm excited. The viewer doesn't care, but this is exciting to document, Tyler. It's super exciting. All right, one clip, two clips. We have beautiful new mats. Look at that, show them that. Show them how beautiful the Macan looks.
I would like to say to them right now, that was some of the worst cinematography because it is so dark inside the footwell and you can't see anything, but there's two clips you gotta pull up to get the,
They don't care, they know how it's a floor mat. It's not ever changing spark plugs for crying out loud.
You're not wrong.
Let's be as cinematic as possible with the other three and then go for a drive, baby. Thanks to our not sponsor, hashtag sponsor, Celsius, just keeping me going every single day.
You know what's really interesting about you saying that? The last time you said that, we were on this exact road and you called it off-roading the Cayman.
Now we're off-roading the Macan, which actually makes a little bit more sense. Man, I do have to say, I love Celsius, but I love Porsches more.
I'm guessing you're really excited to have rubber floor mats now?
I am super excited because my OCD, I mean, winter in general for me is a hard time because I'm not able to clean the cars as meticulously as I would like to.
Yep.
But these floor mats now, we could have gone and we could have spent, I don't know what like off-the-shelf floor mats are. These ones, I'll put them in tagging products or whatever, however you guys find them. Mm-hmm. But they are Porsche tech equipment floor mats. It is so nice to have something because when you, it's just that extra touch. It's like that
Well, so it's not even that necessarily, because one of my GTIs, I had the cheapest Sam's Club rubber floor mats you could have, and you had to cut out the part that you needed, and these just seamlessly fit, which is really nice.
And they have the little Porsche silhouette, and they say Porsche on them, and we're Porsche people at this point. I would safe to say
We're PP people.
we're PP people. We have to, not only are we hashtag not sponsored, just love it Celsius sponsors, but we also are the self-proclaimed #1 Porsche ambassadors on YouTube. I mean, we just are. We got 3 different types of Porsches.
Yep.
And we have really the faces for radio.
Still waiting on you getting that 4th type of Porsche.
We're working on it, buddy. We're trying to get rid of the Miata and go into a 996 911. That's where you guys come in. We need your help.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed what makes us joyful, I guess.
If you enjoyed the video or found it helpful, please make sure to subscribe and like the video.
What are they going to find helpful?
I don't know. Maybe finding where the floor mats came from. Like, that's the closest I got. But if you found this video terrible, make sure to comment below.
Here's one thing before we sign off. I drove the Cayenne the other day, and I just tried to goof around with the Macan.
Yep.
The Cayenne does want you to be playful. The
does?
Macan is a little bit more like sticks its nose up at you and it's like, no, you're just gonna go in a straight line. That's where PCM comes in handy.
Yep.
Right? All right, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Make sure you click like, comment, subscribe. Comment this time if you like Tyler's beard or not, I guess. And likewise, answer his question, what we helped you with. Take care, we'll see you next time. As always, be safe.